guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do an Amazon haul for all the things I have bought for 3 to 4 months. Since I am in lockdown, I'm staying in my parents house, so I'll be sharing all of the stuffs I have bought from the month of April till August. So आज आई होप कि थोड़ा सा लाइट इधर दिख रहा है कि लास्ट वीडियो में मुझे बहुत सारे फीडबैक्स आए थे कि बहुत अंधेरा हो गया, एंड आई डू अग्री दैट कि सच में बहुत अंधेरा था. तो आज sort of making it more visible to you, and so it would be a good quality as well. So without wasting any of your time, let's get to the video. ओके, सो द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ वो है दिस वन 3-in-1 स्टाइल हेयर स्ट्रेटनर क्रिम्पर. इट ऑल्सो वर्क्स एज अ कर्लर. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस वन, इफ यू प्रेस दिस बटन it will open for the straightening part as well, and this part, it's the crimper where you can crimp your hair. And if you just try to open this part, there you can curl your hair. So this is the best buy from all of the products I have bought, and it cost around 1400 rupees. So yeah, this was a good buy. And the next product which I have bought, as because you people know, if you have followed me in Instagram, you people know that I'm very fond of reading self-help or motivated books. So I've got this book for around 300 rupees. Don't worry, I will mention all the product prices in the I'll clip it here over the video. So this one is by Rachel Hollis, Girls Wash Your Face. I hope you can see that. And it's a very interesting story. Actually, this author has written many, around 3 to 4 books, from starting from girls party, like it was a adolescence, to her she's a mom of like 4 children. So how she dealt with her life, and what are the struggles she dealt with, and how did she overcome it, and all of the stuff. I hope if you're a book reader, and if you like self-motivating books and all those stuff, you should give it a try. And the next product, third product, is this earrings. Actually, this I got it for an occasion, for an engagement. This product, I'll show you the earrings. I've got this, but today can you see this, guys? This earrings, it looks so pretty. I felt very cute, but one thing which hit me is this one. This flower bed, it just got off, and I'm trying to put it on my hair. It just fell off. I don't know. So I think before buying, you can just check, or you can just check the sellers in Amazon link. Like there are many sellers selling the same product. So without knowing the seller, or if you're confirmed on buying that particular thing from the. Okay, so the fourth one, I have got this 3D 3-in-1 eyebrow pencils, which has this tool like effect where you can shape, you can draw your eyebrows. Yeah, it's like kind of conical shape where you can actually draw lines for your eyebrows, and in between you have the spoolie kind of thing to fix the eyebrows. This one. And in the last, you will be having this brush, this one, to apply mascara, or that kind of brush. We got it for fixing the eyebrows, and then make it in a shape. So yeah, that's the one. See guys, I have bought all these products. I have all this straightener and this blow dry, everything for me in Bangalore. But since here I am staying here for around 4 to 5 months, and I really need it for myself. I know it's you people might think that it's a investment, like a bad investment, but what to do? Even I have a life here. I'm staying for so many days, so I had to put it. I had to buy it. So never mind. We'll see. After that, and then coming to makeup products and skincare products, I have got this one. This is, I think it's very this is a very famous Korean brand. It's a rice water bright. It's a from Face Shop. It's a very famous brand for Korean peoples, and this is a rice water face wash. It costed around somewhere around 500 rupees. As I got a discount, this actual price is around 600 something. So I always wanted to give it a try for this Face Shop products and the Korean products, because I've heard a lot about them, about their valuable stuffs and all the ingredients they have put, and for great skins and all those stuffs. So I really wanted to give it a try, so I got this. And the second, I got this Minisuka pump. I mean the blender. It's not a plum, it's a blender to blend ये फाउंडेशन और स्टफ़, क्योंकि मेरा जो था पहले से जो ब्लेंडर था, मैंने पहले मतलब सब तो उधर ही है, लेकिन मैं इधर आई थी तो फिर मैंने जो ख़रीदी थी वो थोड़ा सा छोटा था और वो बहुत हार्ड था, ठीक है। आई कांट इवन ब्लेंड इट प्रॉपरली, मतलब मैं कुछ भी करना चाहती थी तो वो ब्लेंड बिल्कुल नहीं होता था। तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ, एक अच्छा वाला कोई ब्लेंडर ख़रीदते हैं। तो आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम दिस एक्चुअली, this one and this eyebrow pencil, both are from the same brand Miniso, which I got it from Amazon online. तो अगर आप लोग भी ब्लेंडर कभी ख़रीद रहे हो फर्स्ट टाइम, या फिर जस्ट गो फॉर द सॉफ्टेस्ट वन। थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव हो सकता है, it's not that much expensive though, लेकिन just go for the softer one. Just before buying, just check everything, the details and all those stuff, and also the reviews before buying it. So go for the software one. It helps you blend more easily. And lastly, I have got a shoes. I insert the picture here because I have gave it for a return, as the size which I ordered didn't fit me. I thought कि मेरा 36 euro साइज़ होगा, लेकिन वो नहीं है, वो 38 है। पता नहीं मैंने कैसे गलती से कर दिया वो, तो मैंने रिटर्न करने दिया। आई जस्ट इंसर्ट अ पिक्चर हियर सो यू कैन से इट। ओके, so that's were all the products. And one more thing, I have also bought 2 things for my video shoot and all those stuffs. I'll just show you guys. So this one is the LED light, ring light, as you can see. And there is a stand over there, I'll show you. तो ये है स्टैंड, ये स्प्रिंग वाला है। तो स्टैंड बहुत अच्छा आया था टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ठीक है। लेकिन मैंने एक्चुअली एलईडी लाइट का 10 इंच ऑर्डर किया था, सॉरी 18 इंच ऑर्डर किया था, लेकिन ये आए 10 इंच। आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट रिप्लेस इट विथ अनदर एलईडी, दिस वन एलईडी लाइट, रिंग लाइट, बट वो भी 10 इंच का आया। पता नहीं क्यों, कौन सा सेलर था, इसलिए मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ गाइस, अगर आप लोग ख़रीद रहे हो ना पहले से, अगर आप कोई फिक्स सेलर के साथ ख़रीद रहे हो, मतलब अगर वो वाला सेलर आपको अच्छा प्रोडक्ट्स देता है तो उसी को फॉलो कीजिए। डोंट चेंज सेलर्स इन अमेजन, एज अमेजन इज़ अ मार्केट प्लेस, है। देयर आर मेनी ब्रांड्स गोइंग एंड सेलिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स देयर आर मेनी काइंड ऑफ सेलर्स। So just go for which is which is very authentic, or you feel that their products are very good, just go for it. तो फिर मैंने रिटर्न नहीं किया। फिर मैंने सोचा कि इधर काम आ ही जाएगा कभी ना कभी, तो मैंने रख लिया। So this two with the stand and this one, this cost around 1500. So yeah, that's why it's guys. I hope you all like the video and enjoyed it, and if you do like, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notifications for that, and also like and share the video if you really enjoyed it. Thank you, have a nice day guys, bye, take care.